So here I am at NPS, and they very kindly allowed me to film. I came here late. The shop was closed, and the factory was just closing. The office was just closing, but they very kindly let me film. So thank you very much to NPS. Now, so in here. These are outlet prices, so here are the prices, yeah? So let me just zoom in on that. There we go. That's in this room, that's the prices for the shoes in this room. And they've got some really nice ones. Look at this, for example. Look. So, yeah, yeah. So that's Goodyear welted, and you've got leather and day-night soles, and for 60 quid, you can't go wrong, can you? 60 quid for those? Unbelievable price. So these all boots are 80. And boots are 80 for leather sole, 70 with day-night sole. Oh no, it's a PVC sole. Is it day-night? No. Solaire. Yeah, Solaire soles. Sorry, it's Solaire. Yeah, it's their own trademarked sole. So I shouldn't be saying day-night, I should be saying, yeah, it's Solaire, which is what they developed originally for Doc Martens. And look at those beautiful boots up there. Yeah. So fantastic prices, fantastic quality. And here we got ladies' shoes. So same prices over here. Leather £70 for the shoes. PVC sold 60. So these are all ladies' shoes. And look at these are beautiful. So that is fantastic, a fantastic price for the quality. That is, they're £70. Wow, you would pay, and these are not seconds either. These are perfect. Now coming into here, we got the famous loafers, the famous sneakers. And this is a new trend in Northampton factory shops, sneakers. And these are Goodyear welted. How much are these again? 70 quid?
172.
172. 172, yeah, that's right. And 250 online, 172 if you come to the factory shop. And probably a lot more in a shoe shop. These are the famous desert boots over here. How much are these?
They're on sale at the moment, so we are selling them for £70, and these are brand new.
Yeah.
£70.
£70.
So they were.
Oh yeah, 100. They were 130. Now £70. Wow. The shoes in there are perfects, aren't they?
They are seconds.
They're seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry. So I was telling you wrong information here. These are seconds. They're all seconds in here. But still, everything I said, fantastic quality and fantastic prices. Look, unbelievable. That is 70 quid for that. You would pay a lot more in other factory shops, I have to say. So and this is the classic This is current range. So this is the Solitaire. And yes, so don't buy in Doc Martens until you've been here. Don't, if you go to Doc Martens, that's okay, look at their stock. But come here as well, yeah? So don't buy in Doc Martens unless you've been here as well. And it's Doc Martens, it's only just over the road. So if you've got a jetpack, it's about 100 yards. So, oh, look at these beautiful boots. So how much are these?
Which one, sorry?
Have we got prices? These are all current range, aren't they? And these are perfect.
Yeah. So these sell for 185 online. Let me just have a look.
Oh, here, look, 120 for these heavy-duty brogues, and 150 is the retail price, recommended retail price. So,
The 11 eyelet boots are all £148 in here.
148.
148.
Is that for all these boots here?
Just the 11 eyelet steel toe cap ones. So these are our limited edition range. These are our limited edition range. So these have been made from small runs of leather. So some of these, there's only one of this shoe. This is the only one we've made in this particular leather.
They're what, sorry?
We've only made one of this particular shoe.
Oh,
so
right,
this is the only
okay.
one available in that
So these are
colour.
samples?
No, we're selling these as limited edition stock. So if someone's got a pair of these, this is the only pair that's available in that colour.
Oh, right, okay.
We've got about 3 of these, so they're very small runs. So if anyone who's got any of these.
Oh, okay.
So that's just our limited edition stock. The rest of it's all in stock.
So what would be the price of these, do we know?
That ain't what it is.
She's going to have a look, she's not. We need to look up the prices. This is a classic Solitaire. So, NPS made Doc Martens originally. So, and oh yes, very important. These are made in Northampton, in the factory just over the road. No Chinese stuff here.
£132.
£132. So £132 for these. Yeah, that's really good value. Goodyear welted. Really heavy duty brogues here. I'm having to lift the camera up. I'm quite short, so yeah. Oh, these are really nice. Look at these. Solitaire. Yeah, Northampton welted onto Solitaire soles. And how much are these? Oxfords?
Sorry, I don't think I've got any names on them. Are they 4 eyelets?
We're not sure what to look it up. It'll be a bargain in any way. Let me find it.
144.
How much?
144.
£144. So these are perfect, yeah, and this is the current range. 140. So I guess these are probably a similar price. So. Oh look, yeah, nice. Boots. And these are leather boots, heritage range. How much are the leather boots?
They should have a tag on them.
Should have a price on. Oh, 188.
188.
Recommended retail price
235.
235. This is beautiful quality. These are leather soles. So this is, you know, this is traditional. It's what NPS have been making for donkey's years. Traditional Northampton manufacture. Here's some Oxfords, brogues onto leather sole, Goodyear welted, 172 quid, normal recommended retail price 215. Again, day night, yeah, that's day night sole. Day night soles made in Market Harborough. And we got boots up here, and we got desert boots up here, and I'm having to lift the camera again. Yeah. I'm getting the wrong one there. Yeah, here we go. Here's the desert boots. How much are the desert boots?
£104.
104. £104. And look at those are leather soles. £104. There we go, there's the desert boots. I'm having to lift the camera really high. And those are £104. Right. And we got some ladies' shoes here. Ladies' range. Oh, and this shows you the construction. Look at that. That's really handy. Look at that. So that shows you Northampton shoe construction. So we got cork in there, and yeah, very interesting. I'll just linger there for a bit, so you can see that properly. That's very informative. And we've got some lovely ladies' shoes here. £180. Recommended retail £225. Those are lovely. I really like those. Yeah. And that's about it, I think. Oh, here we go. Here's some more ladies' shoes. And yeah, make sure you get some shoe trees with your shoes to look after them. And that's it, I think, yeah. So, have I missed these? No, we've done those, the Oxfords. Okay, I think that's it. We've got some boots here. I don't know if I've done those. And beautiful brogues here. Look at these brogues. Lovely grained leather. Day-night sole. 188. Recommended 235. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay.